model, 66-plate Renault Trafic Sport SL29 dCi 120. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 155,307. MOT, the 29th of January 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is rattling, will need replacing or repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,995. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.